Welcome to this video. Really great to have you here with me. I've got a really good one for you, and this video is going to show you how to use SEO, but with a difference. AI powered SEO, and I'm going to show you one thing in this video that will really improve SEO for pretty much any piece of content. So you can use this for affiliate sites. That's what I'm going to show. I'm actually going to show a review, but you can use it for any piece of content that you're wanting to SEO optimize. And the reason it works is one key thing that I'm going to explain as we go through it. So I hope you enjoy it. It's something that you can go and try today, and it will improve your SEO, even if your SEO knowledge is lacking, or you're just looking to make sure that it's fully up to date for all of the updates, Google updates, which is constantly updating, if you want to make sure that everything's ready for 2024. So thank you ever so much for watching. Do give us a like. I'd really appreciate it. It does help. Do give us a subscribe if you're interested in building AI powered income streams, whether that's for side income or job replacing income. Do consider subscribing. I've got guides on that for you. And if you're really interested in building affiliate sites and getting underway really quick, check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page. It's called Your Freedom Ticket, and in a nutshell, you get complete training and you get 6 niches with 20 pieces of content for each niche. So you're able to get going faster. You're able to build sites that will actually rank and make you money. Check it out in the description. Watch the video at the top and it will explain everything. It's ridiculously inexpensive to get in, and you will get great results from it, and it will teach you everything that you need to know. So do check that out. Okay, let's get into the good stuff. Here we go. So the first thing we need to be able to SEO optimize anything is content. This is the content I'm showing. I've deliberately picked something that's not too in-depth. It's not even that much content. I just want to show you it's unformatted as well, so no headings put in or anything like that. I just want to show you how easy this is. So ideally you want to make sure that you've got quality content. By quality I mean of value to the reader. That's the best way to explain quality. I'm not going to spend too long on that. You know, if you're watching this, what quality is. All I mean is if it's just a sort of AI generated content piece without much thought or anything like that, it's not going to work. Okay, you're not going to be able to SEO something that's bad quality and suddenly outrank everybody. So make sure that your content's real quality. Make sure that it offers something that other people are not offering, or expands on a point that other people aren't. That sort of thing. You can see here that this is a review for a treadmill for an affiliate site. You've got introduction, features at a glance. You've got what's the difference with this treadmill, so what sets it apart compared to the competition. You've got the standout features. You've got what people are saying. And then the video is a placeholder just for a YouTube video. And then a call to action. Really simple, 1,289 words, so a bit light on word count. But let's say we want to optimize this, SEO optimize it, make sure that it's up to date for the 2024, all the Google updates. Here we go. Here's the prompt to use for any piece of content that you want to SEO optimized. So the prompt is: analyze and optimize this content for SEO based on the latest 2024 Google updates. Focus on improving readability, keyword placement, and content structure. Ensure it follows Google's EAT guidelines: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Suggest ways to naturally include long tail keywords related to topic, so in this case it's treadmills, and provide a meta description, title tag, and H1 recommendation for ranking higher. And there's the content just pasted in, so that's the same content in Word I've just shown you. And look at this. And bear in mind, because I've got something really cool to show you. So this is just half of it. You'll really like the second bit. So first thing it gives us is the title tag, meta description, and H1 tag. Yes, Google can replace them. Yes, it can. It's not as important as it once was, but should you still optimize them? Well, I think so. It doesn't hurt, and it's good practice, and it's not, as I say, it's not going to hurt your site. You can also see here that it's gearing it towards folding treadmill review for compact spaces. So it's giving a recommendation on how we can hit those actual searches. So even if we don't hit folding treadmill, which will be competitive, we might go for treadmill for compact spaces in 2024 and get ranked. Optimized content. So what it's done is it's taken the content and optimized it for SEO. So introduction, features at a glance, and it's put the sort of bold in here. Who should buy? Standout features. So these are all the sections I've just shown you, just cleared up, and in fact it's actually stripped some of the word count to make it easier to read. No run-on sentences and so on. Customer feedback, final thoughts, and then call to action. Now, just a point on that, you could then take that content piece that it's given you and expand on that. Okay, so you don't just take it and leave it, expand on it, compare it to your original piece and make sure that the content is the way you want it to look. It's also given me long tail keyword suggestions. Best compact treadmill for small spaces, affordable foldable treadmill for home workouts. Fantastic for a niche site, or if you want to get results quicker, those long tails still count. You know, you don't want to optimize just for long tails, but it will still help get you there for the larger terms and also terms that are getting searches. Now check this out. This is a thing that I wanted to show you that really will give you the edge when you're SEOing anything with AI. Structuring tips based on EAT, the Google: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. And it's giving me advice. Emphasize your experience using this treadmill. Include statements like based on hands-on testing, customer reviews indicate. Showcase specific expertise in the fitness niche. Comparisons and providing detailed technical info. Authoritativeness. Link to trusted external sources like health and fitness sites to back up your claims. Trustworthiness. Personal experience, genuine customer feedback, and so on. And these are the guidelines that Google actually suggest. And what I can do is I can take each of those 4 guidelines, and I've got another prompt here you can use, and it's this. Experience, there it is, and I've put underneath it, for this give me customer reviews of this type I can include with sources, meaning with links, okay? Expertise, showcase specific expertise. Do this for me and create a simple comparison table, okay? Authoritativeness. Link to trusted external sources. Provide these links for me to USA sites. Trustworthiness. Include personal experience, genuine customer feedback, and a clear disclosure that you're posting an honest, unbiased review. And I've also put here, help me with this and provide customer feedback. I have not used this product, but explain all feedback is genuine with sources. Now, this is where the magic happens. AI has gone out and included, following those guidelines, those EAT guidelines, AI has gone out and done the work for me. Experience. Here are some customer reviews that can be used to emphasize the experience of others. Easy storage with a link to the actual review. Walmart with a link to the actual review, ideal for beginners. Sturdy and well built, Best Buy review, Amazon review. Okay, so that's real feedback. Expertise. To showcase your expertise in the fitness niche, here's a simple comparison table between the Serene Life folding treadmill and other budget treadmills. Look at that. Ready to copy and paste in. I can also get AI if I want to expand the table, make it more complicated, and so on. Okay? Then you've got, one second guys, authoritativeness. I can't speak today. And here it is. US fitness and health websites that can help back up your claims. Links, general benefits of walking and running on treadmills, cardiovascular, and so on. Okay, with links going through. And then trustworthiness. To create a trustworthy review should include genuine customer feedback. And it's given me the disclosure. This review is based on real customer feedback. I have not personally used the Serene Life folding treadmill, but I have carefully researched and compiled reviews from verified purchasers. And there's the customer feedback again with links. So what have we done in this video? We've SEO'd a content piece. We've got the actual all the descriptions done, the meta descriptions, and we've got everything that we need here all set up and all ready to go. So that's everything optimized, and we've also got those guidelines as well. So we've got all of that done, and that is in a nutshell how you optimize and how you get all set up and everything up and running. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe, do check out your freedom ticket if you want to build niche sites, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers guys.